Hello everyone. So the name of our project is Group L and our topic is online shopping management. So the members are myself, Simantini Rembodkar, Parth Patel, Aditya Pawar, Akash Pokarkar and Girish Raskar. So the problem statement of our project is that this project aims to develop an online shopping for customers with the goal so that it is very easy to shop your loved things from an extensive number of online shopping sites available on the web. With the help of this, you can carry out an online shopping from your home. Here is no compelling reason to go out to the crowd stores or shopping centers, especially during festive seasons. You simply require a PC or a laptop and one important payment sending option to shop online. These are some of the features which we have included in our program. A mobile website option, free or competitive shipping options, advanced navigation and search functions, superior photos and image options, and a detailed product description. So hence my fellow friend will explain you the code of the project. Thank you.
Hello, myself Girish Raskar, and I am going to present our next part of our code. So we have created a function name void amount. In that there is a character variable name ID, which include 20 characters and stores the ID of the uh, employee. And next there is strcpy function is used to copy one string to another, and strcat function used to concatenate the file string and text file. Next, there is fstream fout function, uh, which will help to read or write the information from the files. If user will return wrong ID, it will return file not found. Next, there is next there user can write the modified name of the employee using fout function. The output is taken from the file, and it helps in displaying working employees, employee salary, and employee name and employee ID, etc. Then next there is void admin function. We have created the infinite loop which will display our shop and their options to select by the user, such as add entry, show profit, search product details, search employee details, modified product details, modify employee details, and etc. If if user select first option, the object of a class amount will the object A of the class amount will display the uh, void amount function, in which there are options to select choice whether to input for product or for the employee. If user will select the second option, it will display the profit selecting option, uh, selecting options option third. uh, by clicking by entering second option, it will just display the profit of our shop, and by selecting third option, uh, will help to search the product details, writing the ID of the employee using file handling. If the ID is missing, the program will display that the file couldn't be opened because you have written the wrong ID. By when user will select the fourth option, it will help to display the employee details. Using file handling, it will help to find the employee ID written in the file. When user select the fifth option, we in fourth uh, in fourth option, we have added character eid variable, character d variable, and strcpy function and strcat function, which will help to read the files from the which will help to read and write from the text file. And in option fifth, this yes, And when user select the fifth option, it will invoke the update item function and will display the uh, will display to write the id to modify the details of the employee. And using the sixth option, this sixth option, when user will write when user will select sixth function, it can modify employee details. It object In that object v of the class amount will invoke the function update emp function, and user can modify the data in it by by while writing seventh option. It will break, and you will come out of the loop. And else, uh, if user will select wrong option, it will display this part. It will print this part: invalid option, please select right. And in our main function of our body, we have created integer variable ch, which will help the user to do the choice. We are displaying the title and the this we are displaying the title and the body of our shop using cout function. In this code, we are using switch case statement using case first. It will invoke the admin function, and using case 2 it will exit out of the loop. And default, if user will select any other function, it will print enter the valid choice, and it will come out of the loop. And so this is our code. So thank you for giving me chance to present, and thank you. That's from my side.